So the basic about push button is that this is the symbol of switch button and this is the symbol of push button. When we apply the force on the push button, it will be goes in downward direction. So to this, these two contacts are short circuited and it allows to pass the current in this direction. Due to this, the current is passed through the circuit and LEDs start to glow. And when we release this button, it will be remain in upward direction in which off position. This will be not allowed to flow this current and our LEDs turn off. This is the working of push button. I found that push button in old lighting series, so let's get open it. After opening the case, we found the circuit board inside the case. After that, we finally found the push button which is connected to the circuit. We simply connected the one wire to the one end of button and other to other end of button. Make sure that that connection is well and proper. By using a multimeter, make sure that both the end of a button are not short circuited. If it is short circuited, then cut out the every connection which is connected to the button and the another part of circuit. So I simply cut out the bus wire which is connected to another circuit of PCB. By using multimeter, make sure that the button is not connected to entire circuit. After that, we simply tested out the button by using a LED. It is worked perfectly. Let's close this case and we go to the final test. If you enjoy this video, make sure that like, share and subscribe.